what is the difference between machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence, AI?
So machine learning, in my opinion, is more just a set of rules and stuff that we're setting up. Like, the recommendation engines I was talking about, the structure is still either supervised or unsupervised. Like we're trying to train, I guess, lesser amount of misstatements, but we're trying to train, a model or so to do a certain task of things, right? We have an end result in mind, right? Like I want you to build a recommendation engine. And so that's what you're going to do. Or I want you to do, I don't know, some type of natural language processing, for example, right? And AI itself, in my opinion, I think is that more of that human aspect I was talking about, right? That co-pilot that, kind of letting it go and do its thing and, get the results back, help me understand, how do I work in this environment where I have all this internal documentation, find it for me, go out and do and give me results back. Like I'm not necessarily setting these rules per se. I want you to go ahead and do it for
Yeah, and see what I see, from the cybersecurity space is the buzzwords AI,
me.
but what we're actually looking at with most of those is just a really, really refined and well-trained machine learning model. And so
Yeah.
I try to just educate the crap out of people. Yes, we're getting towards the human side of AI, but a lot of the things you're getting is just a really well done machine learning model.
Yeah.
It's close. So
It is. No, I completely agree. I think that it gets kind of intertwined between the two, right? I think a lot of folks are saying AI, ML, and trying to fit what fits in their bucket. But I can definitely see, partners and customers and end users or so, either trying to figure out like, hey, I have a very well-tuned machine learning model, right? Is that AI now? Right. And it's like, well, you tell me, what is it doing? And so, and then also what's interesting is people have very poorly fine-tuned models and they're like, man, this AI model is terrible. Like, well, it's not AI. It's just, you gave it a bunch of garbage data and it's spitting out random information out.